What does it take to ace the Primary Exit Profile Ability Test? Well, let's start by understanding what it is. The Primary Exit Profile Ability Test is an important milestone in a primary student's academic journey in Jamaica. It's a comprehensive assessment that measures a student's ability to reason and think critically. This test isn't just about memorizing facts or regurgitating information. No, it's about understanding, applying, and problem-solving. It dives into key areas such as verbal and quantitative reasoning, challenging students to demonstrate their competence in these fields. The test is structured to push the boundaries of a student's critical thinking skills. It's a timed examination that requires strategic thinking and effective time management. The aim is to assess a student's ability to apply their critical thinking and how effectively they can navigate through different types of questions. So there you have it. The Primary Exit Profile Ability Test in a nutshell. Understanding the Primary Exit Profile Ability Test structure is the first step towards conquering it. Preparing for the Primary Exit Profile Ability Test doesn't have to be a daunting task. Let's break down the preparation process into clear, manageable steps. First off, understanding the structure of the exam is crucial. This isn't about memorizing every detail, but rather getting a firm grasp on the skills to be tested. The structure of the exam is your roadmap, guiding you on what to focus on and what to expect. So, get to know the type of questions that are on the exam. Your teacher or a tutor are persons who can help you with this. Next, learn the skills needed to solve or answer these questions. Learn the strategies to solve or answer each question type. This is your blueprint for success. Devise a study plan. A well-structured study plan helps you allocate your time effectively, ensuring you cover all the necessary areas. Be realistic about your study schedule. Aim for consistency over cramming, and remember, quality trumps quantity. It's not about how long you study, but how well you understand and retain the information. Additionally, practice makes perfect. Utilize past papers as a tool for understanding the exam's format and the type of questions you'll encounter. Past papers are a goldmine of information, offering you a sneak peek into what the actual test may look like. They allow you to assess your strengths and weaknesses and focus your preparation accordingly. Remember, the goal isn't just to answer the questions, but to understand the reasoning behind the answers. Lastly, let's talk about time management. The Primary Exit Profile Ability Test is timed, so it's essential to get comfortable with answering questions swiftly and accurately. Practice under timed conditions to mimic the test environment. This will help you get a feel for the pace of the test and improve your speed. Above all, keep a positive mindset throughout your preparation journey. Stress and anxiety can hinder your performance, so stay calm, focused, and confident. Remember, preparation is key, and with the right approach, you're already halfway there. With the right approach, you can navigate the Primary Exit Profile Ability Test preparation process smoothly. So, what are the essential points to remember when preparing for the Primary Exit Profile Ability Test? First and foremost, understanding the test structure is paramount. This is your roadmap to success, guiding you through the various sections and question types you'll encounter. Next, a solid study plan is your best ally. It's not just about studying hard, but studying smart. Tailor your study plan to your strengths and weaknesses, and make sure it's sustainable over the long haul. Additionally, the power of practice cannot be underestimated. Regular, consistent practice is the key to getting comfortable with the test format and improving your speed and accuracy. Finally, effective time management is vital. This is a timed test, after all. Learn to pace yourself, and don't get stuck on difficult questions. Armed with these tips and strategies, you're well on your way to acing the Primary Exit Profile Ability Test. Remember, success lies in preparation.